Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to speak about these silent partners of the family, who love to be recognized and appreciated, but don't look forward that we do that for them. But yeah, somewhere down in their heart, they do feel, if we get some recognition or love or appreciation, even they do feel happy, okay, about it. Now, what happened is when I had posted this video on mother's unconditional love, I got ample of messages saying that have you ever written not only from the silent partners but also from the women who were saying, have you ever written a poem for these people as well? So I just want to say yes, I definitely mentioned about that, about these people in my book, Hope, covering them. These who are these people? These people are the ones who are the silent partners in the family who don't need any recognition or appreciation. Yeah, but deep down in their heart, they somewhere would definitely love if we appreciate them. Okay, they can be anyone in the family. It is mainly the man of the family. They can be any person like a brother or a father or a husband figure. So just want to say thank you all for giving all that love. I want to thank you from everyone who's watching this video. You all are doing so much for us. I know, and but still, you all don't never take that appreciation or credit for yourself. Okay, what happens is the woman is normally a face of the family, okay, because she does everything and we do recognize it and we do see what she's doing, okay. But what happens with a man is he does, okay, for just for an example, he gets something to eat and it is served by our beautiful mother or our beautiful women in the house, okay. So what happens is we forget to thank these people or appreciate them for what they have done for us, okay. But yeah, they are the silent partners. Without them, everything is impossible, okay. They are the one who bind the family together, okay. Because of them, because of their hard work, what they do, yes, we honor living which is healthy and which is beautiful, okay. So I just want to tell you guys, I had definitely written a poem for these people, and I would want you all to do the same thing. In case you get this message of mine, just call them and say thank you for doing whatever you all are doing and whatever you guys have done so far, and just keep doing it. And I know you people too would love this video and definitely will share it with those silent partners in every family. So definitely I will definitely call you the silent partners of the family and the root of the tree, to keep the tree so strong, okay. Thank you all. And now the poem which I wrote for you all, it goes about like this. So let me read it to you, okay. So for the ones who have not read it from my book Hope, okay, so it goes about like this. They do feel the same, okay. Sorry, there was someone at the door and I had to cut short my video and go out looking for who's the one, because there's nobody in the house right now. So it's okay. Let's continue with the poem. Little things in life goes uncounted, like the special moment at times felt. Same goes with them who keep bundle of love hidden within their heart's curve. Quite often they show no involvement, suddenly popping with an excellent judgment, thinking they do quietly, in peace. Surprisingly, their emotions they greatly unleash. Whole of satisfaction is what they believe, to give out others what they actually need. Often we think they do care less. Without them, our learning would be a mess. Though they act as not being hurt, man do have emotion hidden like a bird. So friends, this is for all the beautiful man out there who are the silent partners of the family, and therefore I would like to end this video by just saying thank you all for watching me again. Do keep reading my quotes and don't lose hope, and also do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again, and do give your love on this video of mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.